Hello students, welcome in 12 Computer Science. We started with the chapter Networking Technology from paper 2. In last video lecture we studied bounded media, and from that section we completed twisted pair cable from the chapter Networking Technology. Also in twisted pair cable we have seen UTP and STP. Now we are starting with the next cable, coaxial cable from bounded media as well as fiber optic cable from bounded media. Now let's see the features for coaxial cable. What is coaxial cable? सिंपल एक्झाम्पल सांगते स्टुडंट्स. सर्वांच्या घरात टी व्ही आहे. टी व्हीला जी ब्लॅक कलरची वायर कनेक्ट झालेली असते दॅट इज युअर कोएक्सियल केबल. ओके, ब्लॅक कलर वायर इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज कोएक्सियल केबल. Now see, special hollow cable with a solid copper wire at the core. This is a hollow cable and solid copper wire at the center. Core means center part. Copper wire is surrounded by plastic from insulation. What do you mean by insulation? Insulation means can't pass anything. Okay. So it is surrounded by plastic foam. This copper wire coring with plastic jacket. Due to this plastic jacket protect from outside interference, so it is called insulator. This jacket is also called as insulator. Main data pass through this copper core wire. Okay, foam is surrounded by mesh jacket or metallic foil. Okay, this jacket also covered with metallic foil and at the end covered with black color coating. Understood? This is the features of coaxial cable. Now see the advantages. Maximum used in network in different size. In different network mostly use this wire. EMI, electromagnetic interference is less than twisted pair cable. EMI is less than twisted pair cable as compared to twisted pair cable. Okay, means interference of external signal in this cable EMI is less because number of protection layer is more. So data is more protected than twisted pair cable. Why EMI is less? Because in coaxial cable number of protecting cover is more than twisted pair cable, so EMI is less than compared to twisted pair cable. Attenuation is less than twisted pair cable. If EMI is less, so attenuation is also less. Okay, because EMI is less. Now see disadvantages. Expensive than twisted pair cable wire. Wire cost is more than twisted pair cable. So implementation cost is also more than twisted pair cable. And bandwidth capacity is less than fiber optic cable. Okay. See, this bandwidth compared to fiber optic cable is less than fiber optic cable 8 to 10 Mbps megabit per second. Okay, this is the advantages advantages of coaxial cable. Now see here, coaxial cable wire. Okay, see here, this is the protective layers. See how many layers here. See this center part, this is a copper wire. Okay, center conductor. Then this is the insulator part. It is also called as dielectric, means protect from other interferences. One more jacket is metal jacket. Okay, and above after metal jacket one more jacket is plastic cover. Then how many jackets, or how many protecting cover for this coaxial cable? 3 protecting cover. Okay, and this is the core part of this cable. Through this cable, data to be sent one place to another place. Okay, in coaxial cable there are two types, thick net and thin net. Okay, now you know meaning of this thick and thin. Okay, means size of wire if thick or size of wire if thin. See here, in thick net wire is thick, hard and expensive. जर ती वायर थिक असेल तर ती बेंड होत नाही लवकर. ओके, अपोजिट थिन नेट इज थिन, इट इज फ्लेक्सिबल अँड इनएक्सपेन्सिव. Okay, this is the characteristic or difference between these two wires. Now see, understood this coaxial cable wire? Okay student. Now see next cable, fiber optic cable. Next cable is fiber optic cable. This is very important cable. Fiber optic cable is very important. Why it is so much important? This wire is important part of our life, but we are not knowing about this. Today, if we all are using internet with high bandwidth, this is just because of fiber optic cable. Okay, fiber optic cable connected all of us in this world. So let us see the feature of fiber optic cable. Now see, first of all, fiber optic cable, the meaning is within this. The meaning is within this. It carries light waves. See here, first characteristic, carries light waves instead of electrical waves. It carries light waves instead of electrical waves. In this wire, light waves are travel. The speed of light is maximum till the speed of light is maximum. Okay, speed of maximum means speed of light is maximum, that is 3 into 10 raised to power of the 8 meter per second. So it carries light waves. Second characteristic, waves are transmitted through transparent glass fiber. In these, data are transmitted through transparent glass fiber through this glass. Okay, it is transparent wire. This fiber optic cable is transparent. So in this wire, data are transmitted through transparent glass fiber through this glass. Fiber material are like silica glass, silicon dioxide, and above this glass fiber we have fiber material, and those materials are silica glass and silicon dioxide. These are the materials to keep glass fiber safe. Due to this material, this wire is safely. Okay, widest bandwidth it provides. How much data range for this cable? Data rate is 100 Mbps to 2 Gbps, that is 100 into 10 raised to 6 bit per second to 2 into 10 raised to 9 bit per second. Okay, cable is very thin and very small in size, and it is noiseless communication. Okay, cable is small in size, noiseless communication. Okay, noiseless means external effect of signal is not in fiber optic cable. External effect of signal is not in fiber optic cable. Free of EMI. EMI means electromagnetic interference. If there is no noise, so EMI also 0 for fiber optic cable, because data is noiseless. So EMI is 0. It is very strong, flexible, can stand in high temperature. स्टुडंट कितीही हाय टेम्परेचर असले तरी इझिली ही वायर फ्लेक्झिबल होते. ओके, Do not corrosion. Do not corrosion. If this wire underwater in some chemical, then it won't show corrosion. It is very strong wire. It is very strong wire. See this picture, means diagram or fiber optic cable wire like this. Okay, see, this is your core part. See, this is your very thin. This is your core part. That glass from which height waves are passed to this, and above these 4 layers. Okay, 1 2 3 4. In this core wire, in this core part, this is glass from which light waves will pass, and above these are 4 layers are there. Okay, and this layer is protecting this glass core, protecting this glass core. Actual data passing from here, actual data passing, see here. This part is core part, actual data passing through this core part. Okay, this and this layer to protect this, and this layer, these 4 layers are protect to this core part. Because of this layer, no EMI and attenuation. Okay, no EMI and attenuation. This is cladding. One more covering is sorry, coating, strengthening fibers and cable jacket. Okay, due to this protecting cover, this core part is very protective from due to these 4 layers. Now see here, see how much thin it is. Okay, this is thin, but how much thin this part, center part, and the protective cover, it is so many layers. This is so many layers. Sorry student, this is so many layer, this is center part, and these are so many layers. Okay, see this see this naming of these layers are there. See 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 layer are there, and glass fiber is so much thin since light waves are passed, and see in bunch. Okay, see light waves are passed. Now see this light wave pass in bunch, pass in bunch. See this fiber optic cable. Okay, this is fiber optic cable, this is core part, this is 4 layers are there, and see these are bunch of this fiber optic cable. Okay, understood student, fiber optic cable. Now see advantages and disadvantages of fiber optic cable. In fiber optic cable, see EMI is negligible, means near about 0. Okay, because it is noiseless. If EMI is 0, then attenuation is also less. Bandwidth is maximum and data is accurate. There is no noise, no EMI, no attenuation. So data will be accurate. Okay, data will be accurate. But what is the problem? Now see disadvantage. Highly expensive. Highly expensive. Installation cost is high. It is providing high speed and so much protection for data. So it will be highly expensive because depends upon cost of wire. Installation cost is depends upon this cost of wire. Understood student? Coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. This is the end of this session 4. Thank you.